If you're looking for a serious crypto exchange in 2026, one that can handle spot trading, derivatives, copy trading, and even Web3 tools, you should understand how platforms like Bybit work. In this video, I'm Lady Trader and I'll give you a full breakdown: fees, tools, liquidity, and security. Let's start with the big picture. Bybit is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. It serves millions of users globally and consistently ranks among the top exchanges by trading volume. Especially in derivatives trading, it's one of the industry leaders. Why does this matter? Because scale affects everything: liquidity, execution speed, and reliability. Let's talk about liquidity. High liquidity means your trades are executed quickly and close to your expected price. This is critical for scalpers, day traders, and high volume strategies. Now, fees. For spot trading, fees are around 0.1%, which is the industry standard. For futures trading, fees are lower. Market orders cost slightly more, while limit orders are cheaper. This is why professional traders prefer limit orders whenever possible. Now, let's talk about tools. This is where the platform really stands out. First, copy trading. You can browse traders, analyze their performance, and automatically copy their trades. This is useful if you're still learning or want a more passive approach. Next, trading bots. Grid bots, DCE strategies, and automated systems that are built directly into the platform. You don't need coding. Just set your parameters. Then, passive income. For earned products, you can generate yield on your crypto. Flexible options or fixed-term strategies depending on your goals. Now, let's talk about leverage. Derivatives trading allows leverage, but this comes with higher risk. Always use it carefully and only with the proper risk management. Now, security. No platform is perfect. What matters is how a platform handles risk and extreme situations. Strong exchanges typically use cold storage, multi-signature wallets, two-factor authentication, and withdrawal protection systems. They also provide transparency tools like proof of reserves. This helps users verify that funds are backed. So, what's the conclusion? Platforms like Bybit offer high liquidity, competitive fees, advanced tools, and a full trading ecosystem. But your results still depend only on one thing: your strategy and your risk management. No platform will make you profitable. Only the discipline will. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more trading breakdowns. This is Lazy Trader, and see you in the next video.